Few topics have been as incendiary in California as illegal immigration, with intense arguments about whether those who cross borders are a reminder of the American dream or a sign of its demise.
Those past debates, most visible during elections in 1994 and 2010, may offer some insight into the issue's political rewards and risks.
For starters, neither effort sprang from measurable public anger. In 1993, a Los Angeles Times poll found only 2% of voters surveyed cited immigration as the state's top problem. Jobs and the economy were more pressing, they said. In late 1993, then-Governor Pete Wilson said that our state is facing a crisis in illegal immigration. In the spring of 2010, GOP gubernatorial candidate Steve Poizner warned of the strain the issue was causing. Both men ultimately built campaigns around an effort to deny government services based on citizenship.
Fast forward to May 2016, just before the state's current debate, and a remarkably similar snapshot. Only 6% of likely voters in a PIC poll saw illegal immigration as the biggest issue. 5 times as many said it was jobs and the economy.
It is a crisis, that's the point we're at in California, Assemblywoman Melissa Melendez, our Lake Elsinore, said at a White House meeting, with Trump sitting next to her and nodding in agreement.
Statistics from U.S. Customs and Border Protection suggest otherwise. When comparing the past 7 months to the same time period in 2017, there's been no growth in the total number of adults and families detained along California's portion of the border. The only growth, and it's been sizable, is in the number of unaccompanied children crossing. Unlike today, the 1994 and 2010 clashes took place in the midst of California recessions, hardly the case now, with the state's jobless rate at its lowest recorded point since 1976.
This time, the conflict feels more instinctual than economic. The president's push for more immigration raids sparked California Democrats to write a state law limiting local law enforcement's cooperation. That prompted a federal lawsuit and now, friend of the court briefs filed by California communities on both sides. A more conciliatory approach is being taken by Representative Jeff Denham, R. Turlock. He is pushing for a path towards citizenship for so-called dreamers, the young immigrants left in limbo by the cancellation of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, or DACA. Denham enlisted the help of 2 fellow California Republicans in the House, and the approach aligns with middle-of-the-road voters. The hard line on illegal immigration worked in 1994. But it's haunted the party since, as public opinion shifted and Latinos grew in size and power. So why try it again?